So last week we saw a little bit more strength from the US dollar. However, I think this strength, it could come to the end. Let me explain to you why. Okay, dollar index, this is the most important. If you need to trade Forex, you need to understand the direction. We do have, a low test in trying to break this resistance area. It's not the easiest to trade. Either it breaks a bit higher, come back and stay below this trend line here, then yes, look to be a seller of dollar. Otherwise, we could see it go back up to around the 104 area here, okay? So keep an eye on that for the moment. I'm not really taking too much action just yet, but I don't think we will see much more strength from the dollar. Euro, on the other hand, you can see we do have this support area around this 109.50. Again, it's very difficult. If it stayed below, then yes, maybe it could go back down to this 108 area, but let's see if we can do that, or we can hold support around this area. The safest option for me is now break this, stay above, and then I'll consider to be a buyer of Euro. Pound is top of my list to buy. You can see from the price action, we could have a double bottom formation at the moment on daily. You see, rejected here. We're now finding a bit of support there. Again, I don't really want to take action around this area. If it drop below here, maybe, because I've got a little bit more room to aim for. However, breaking above, staying above 128, then yes, I would look to be a buyer of the British pound. Again, this is Sunday planning. Things can change in a live trading market condition. Therefore, I'm doing a live trading event on Wednesday, 5 p.m. UK time. Hopefully that way we can see how the plans plan out and then act accordingly. It is on YouTube Live. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you want to join, that would be on our description and also the pinned comment below. Thank you so much. Okay, continuing is to look at the Japanese yen. Japanese yen is top of my list to look for weakness, because now we could have a double top formation. Last Friday bar is a hanging man, so I like to see weakness, but could we see weakness straight away, or can we go a bit higher first? We shall see. I like to see weakness, but I don't want to take action in this area to sell it. Probably break the channel, then yes, I'll be all over it. At the moment, I will use that to for my strength to buy gold, which is now going to the next chart. Let's start off with daily. Yes, we do see price is drifting lower, but you can see the last 3 days bar, especially the last 2 days bar, is an inverted head and inverse hammer. So it's a reversal price action. But to trade this, you need to drop down a time frame to look for some changes. So ideally 1 hour, 4 hour, 4 hours okay. You see, I've got a blue box over there. We do have a double bottom formation on 4 hours, but we really need to change this first. I need to see this break, stay above 1,930 before I consider to be a buyer. Final one is silver. Silver is a bit weaker than gold, not surprisingly. So let's go to the daily first. You can see we do have a soft level of support now. I like to see this level hold actually, but things, if it drop lower, it can drop lower. So best way is to break above this $23 area, stay above before I consider to be a buyer. So that's all for me. I think patience is required for the next few days. Hopefully we'll see some direction by Wednesday. If you guys like to join with me on the Wednesday 5 p.m. UK time, make sure you subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching.